Hi, welcome to Learning with Harry. So, in today we have a weekend, so we will be learning some unusual or you can say uncommon functions in Excel. So, basically, each video will tell you what is a different uncommon function, and you guys have to suggest me like in which area you can use this kind of function because I am not actually using this kind of thing, but I found these are the something you should at least understand. Excel, holds some capability like these functions. So let's understand what is today's function. First function is basically Roman function. So in school times, I believe I have used this thing in my school time. Whenever you have a number, like if you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will convert these thing in Roman language. So we have a formula direct available that is a Roman, and you can see the description that's convert Arabic numbers to Roman number as a text. So let me just start with the formula, and you can select these kind of things, or you can even type these kind of thing. But I just have mentioned over here, so I'm just selecting from this close bracket. You will see these are the Roman things, and you can copy this and paste it over here. This will copy from number to Roman from 1 to 8 you can see, and even if you go for a 4400, sorry, so it can convert into the Roman thing. But this is restricted to 3999. If you type 4000, it will give you value error because Excel will not able to convert more than 4000, or I'm not sure whether Roman language understand more than 4000 words. So number basically. So and opposite of that you have Arabic. You can see over here it is actually Roman is basically opposite of Arabic. So if you can type Arabic, you have a ready-made formula. You can see the description. This converts Roman number to Arabic number. So let me just select here from this, and you will see the same opposite of that. So from number you wanted to convert into Roman, again we have converted into Arabic. So now guys, so just comment it whether it's useful function or not, because this is an uncommon words. Even I am using this for first time. But I believe in accounting function, certain times you have to mention certain aspect in Roman. So that's you can use this thing. So that's it for video. We have a 4 to 5 different uncommon functions. Stay tuned, and guys please do subscribe channel if you have not, or you can share this video to other people. So thank you very much. Have a great day guys.